Okay, we're here with T, and we're going to have T go ahead and test the gas valve. So, now you checked the inlet, and you had 8.5 inches of water column on the inlet side. Now, what are you going to have to do to check the outlet side? You've already removed your port.
With the port, yeah.
Now what?
Basically the same process. Put the hose up to it.
A little bit different of a process. How are you going to get... See, this one, you had gas coming out all the time, right? Like now, I got the gas valve on.
Oh, okay.
But there's nothing coming out, right?
Put the hose onto it and...
That's right.
Switch the system.
You're gonna have to jump out the system, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go ahead and open that up.
And guess what?
Yep. Just pull it. That's fine. We're going to retape it. Now, it's a little bit different, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, how are you going to use large alligator clips on this one? Yep. On this one, there's one of two ways. Now, this is a zone system, so we could use this zone board over here. So, now, that's the style that you can't really jump out either, so you can go through and I would go ask the customer to turn on the thermostat. Make sure you put it in heat and turn it up about 5 degrees above room temperature.